go to the top of the bubble wall and align this fixture with the wood backing. Then take one of these French cleats and make sure you put it, that is correct, put it in that way so that the cleat is facing down and the screws are towards the top. Make sure you don't strip out the screws as you're driving them in. Next, take the same fixture, take it and align it at the bottom. Same thing, the cleat will go in the same orientation with the screws towards the top of the bubble wall. Once you've screwed that in place, the matching piece that goes on your wall will go like that. Then you're in good shape.